Baby strollers, push carts, and pull carts are not permitted on this escalator.
Sorry.
Please attend to all children. Please hold.
Oh, there we go. I'm gonna get off here and let them have it. So this is gonna be the parallelogram.
The elevator at the new station, which operates on the center platform B to mezzanine level, is currently out of service. The elevator at the new port station, which operates on the center platform B to mezzanine level, is currently out of service.
Yeah, this is the parallelogram-shaped elevator. I've now seen 2 cylinder-shaped elevators this trip, and now I'm getting to see this. This is very, very unique. Look at that door track. Very cool. Let's go up to C2, UL. And here we go. You going up? What floor would you like?
Going down?
No, going up.
Oh.
Down?
Oh, this is the
where you
highest
are.
floor, actually. Silly me.
Well, there's one more up.
Yeah.
Please attend to all children.
Whoa.
Please hold the handrail.
Yeah, I'm gonna get off because this thing's busy and there's lots of people getting on and off, and I don't want to get busted, so that will be it.